If you think that you can install your home gym and never touch it again, never optimize anything again, you're wrong. You can always find something to optimize, to fine tune, and that's what we're going to do today. So behind me, I have this awesome pegboard, and the great thing about it is that you can hang a lot of stuff on it. Now, I have these rubber bands here nicely in order, but there's one big problem. The bars are in front of it, and it's not a hassle to take it out. Well, it even is a hassle to take it out, but it's even a bigger hassle to put these ones back in, because say you have, oh my God, what's that here? So, say you want to take this band and you want to put it back in, you have to like fish it through here, fish it through this bar, brr, 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 brr. Not a ton of fun. And if it's not a ton of fun, it's not easy, you won't be doing it, and you're going to have bands laying around everywhere. So we're going to change that, and we're going to do that in the same fashion that we put up our barbells here. So I made this gun rack with a piece of wood and some dowels so that these bars are going to be very secure. So this is the old gun rack that I had, and we're going to recuperate this board here because this is still a nice piece of board, and if I put the ugly face against the wall, we won't be seeing this, so we can still have a nice thing to work with. Another thing that I got was this dowel here. So basically my only cost is this dowel. This is going to be where we put the bands on. Very simple. Because they're resistance bands, they have a lot of resistance. So I can make it easy on myself, and I just can put the dowels straight into the wood like so. Boom. Put a couple of them there, and we're going to have a solid band rack. For the placement, I was thinking this corner here because it's like the same width as I have for the bands over there, and this piece of wood can hang nicely here. There's nothing here that's going to obstruct the bands, only this little bench here, which from time to time is being put here. But basically, if we hang up the bands here and we place all the bands and we put the bench when the bands are in place, that's going to be really no big deal. I'm also planning on putting these big boys here at the back so that they won't interfere with the bench altogether. So I guess we can start building, and it's montage time. Alright, so as the paint dries, it's time to put in a plug, and lucky for me, this is wood, this is brick, so I can screw one side in and the other side I can screw in into the wood. So the paint is still drying, so a thought just crossed my mind that one of the panels misses a screw, and I found that screw today, so maybe we should fix that in the meantime. Let's go. Alright, time to install this bad boy. So, as I said earlier, one screw here in the wall and two screws here in the wood. So this should be an easy process. There you have it. So now I'm just gonna try a trick that you youngsters on TikTok do. Let me get behind the camera here. And boom. Whoa. I can't believe that actually worked. So yes, a nice out of the way band storage rack. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you now are inspired to make your own band storage because it's super simple. All you need is a plank of wood and a dowel. I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!